The main points about checking the leakage of chemical refrigeration circulators. During the operation of the chemical refrigeration circulator, it is critical that the refrigeration system does not leak. In order to avoid the leakage of refrigerant and other gases in the chemical refrigeration cycle, the inspection of the welding quality is more important. First, check whether the sealing performance of the weld is good. After adding refrigerant or nitrogen and allowing it to stabilize for a certain period of time, it can be tested with soapy water or other methods. When the refrigeration cycle is in operation, the welds should not be cracked, seam, due to vibration, and the pipes should not be blocked by entering debris during welding, and should not enter moisture due to improper operation. When the refrigeration cycle is working, the surface of the welded part should be blocked. It should be clean and free of oil stains. The common leakage points of chemical refrigeration cyclers are evaporator leakage, refrigeration cycle connection leakage, refrigeration cycle valve leakage, compressor pipeline leakage, capillary vibration wear, 4-way reversing valve leakage, etc. Common leak detection methods. The common leak detection methods used in the production and maintenance of refrigeration cycles are appearance leak detection, pressure leak detection, instrument leak detection, vacuum leak detection, etc. The user can solve the leakage points one by one. The failure of leak detection in chemical refrigeration circulators is relatively common. Therefore, when choosing, it is recommended to choose a fully closed loop piping system and valve parts to choose brand accessories. The evaporator uses a high-power plate heat exchanger, which is small in size, high in efficiency, fast in cooling, safe and reliable, and is used for rapid liquid cooling. It is widely used in petrochemical, medical, pharmaceutical, biochemical, freeze, drying, pharmaceutical, military and other high-tech industries.